little video to show you guys where the manufacturer boiler manuals are located on Boiler Fault Finder. So when you go to the website, scroll down and look for manufacturer boiler manuals. If you expand that, you'll see you've got manufacturers A to Z, G to N, P to Z. Click again to expand and go to the correct group of manufacturers for you. So if you're looking at Baxi boiler manuals, go to that link on there, and then you'll see the Baxi manufacturer boiler manuals all listed. If you know the model number that you're looking for, you can always search in the top here. So if you're looking wildcard for like HE, you can do that, and it will filter out all the HE boiler manuals. Or if you're looking for something specific, Geotech or whatever, you can just type it in here, and it will filter out the boilers manuals to those specific manuals. When you click on one of those manuals, obviously it will then open the manual, and you can view the manual and download it if you want to. If you don't see the manual straight away, click on the plus and minus sign up the top in your browser, or if you want to keep it offline and use it as a reference, just click the download button and then it will download it to your device that you're viewing it on. Okay, hope that helps. Cheers.